Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro Max mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and rear cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and remove the mid-frame by undoing 16 screws from the top and bottom sections, and then using a plastic car pry tool create an opening to separate the back cover from the frame. Be gentle and work around on the edges to disengage the plastic clips. While you are taking out the frame, be gentle. The fingerprint flex is attached to the mid-frame. Disconnect the flex cable to release the mid-frame from the body. Next, apply the heat on the broken camera lens and take out the camera lens from the body by applying slight pressure from the rear side. Replace the broken camera lens with a new unit and place it on the back cover. Make sure to apply the adhesive to it and clean the surface. Next, connect the Touch ID flex and secure the mid-frame by adding 16 screws and the SIM tray. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie in the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the camera glass replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.